Whew, I'm so tired, but I really want to finish this movie tonight. I'm too tired. I have to go to bed. We'll have to finish this tomorrow. Let's talk about the difference between so and to. So is used before adjectives and adverbs, and it can show pleasure, surprise, and disappointment. I'm so happy. Wow, that happened so quickly. Oh, this movie is so long. To is also used before adjectives and adverbs. The word to can signal that you have more than enough of something, but it has a bit of a negative meaning and it can indicate that you have a negative amount of something. This tea is too hot. I can't drink it. It happened too quickly. I can't remember. This movie is too long. I can't sit here any longer. I gotta go. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what other grammar questions you have, and I'd be happy to talk about them. All right, I'll see you next time.